Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why some days your brain feels like a supercomputer? It's firing on all cylinders. And other days, it's more like a foggy old laptop struggling to boot up? Well, the answer might be sitting right on your plate. Today, we're diving deep into how the food you eat affects your brain. This isn't just about eating your greens, it's backed by cutting-edge science from nutritional psychiatry to brain plasticity. Stick around, and I'll arm you with knowledge that could literally change how you think. Let's get into it. First things first, your brain is a hungry beast. It weighs just about 2% of your body but guzzles up to 20% of your daily energy. That's like a tiny engine running a massive factory. It runs primarily on glucose from carbs. But it needs a symphony of nutrients to function at its best: fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and more. Without them, things go haywire. Memory slips, mood tanks, focus fizzles. But with the right fuel, you're sharper, happier, and more resilient. Let's break it down scientifically. Research from Harvard Health shows that what you eat directly influences brain chemistry, inflammation, and even the growth of new neurons, a process called neurogenesis. Think of your brain as a high-performance car. Premium fuel keeps it purring. Junk makes it sputter. Moving on to the heroes of the story, key nutrients that supercharge your brain. Starting with omega-3 fatty acids, these are the building blocks of your brain cell membranes. It's found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3 salts like DHA help maintain brain structure and reduce inflammation. Study in the journal Nature found that people with balanced diets rich in these fats had superior cognitive functions and better mental health. Low levels. You're at higher risk for cognitive decline, depression, and even Alzheimer's. A unique fact here: Inuit populations with high fish diets have some of the lowest rates of heart and brain diseases, thanks to these omegas tying into overall cardiometabolic health. Next up, antioxidants. These are your brain's bodyguards against oxidative stress. Think rust on metal, but in your neurons. Berries, dark chocolate, and green tea are packed with them, like flavonoids and polyphenols. They neutralize free radicals that damage brain cells. Research from the American Heart Association highlights how lifelong antioxidant-rich diets protect against stroke and cognitive aging. Ever heard of the blueberry brain boost? Studies show just a cup a day can improve memory in older adults by enhancing blood flow to the brain. Don't forget vitamins. B vitamins found in eggs, leafy greens, and whole grains are crucial for energy production and neurotransmitter synthesis. A vitamin B12 deficiency can even mimic dementia symptoms. Vitamin D, from sunlight and fortified foods, regulates mood. Low levels are linked to seasonal affective disorder. And let's talk magnesium, the relaxation mineral in nuts and avocados. Calms overactive neurons, reducing anxiety. Zinc, from oysters and seeds, supports learning and memory by aiding synaptic function. But it's not all sunshine and superfoods. Let's flip the script to the villains. How bad food sabotages your brain. Enter the standard American dietor, SAD, fittingly named. Loaded with refined sugars, trans fats, and processed junk, it wreaks havoc. Yale research reveals that high-sugar diets alter brain circuitries, messing with reward systems and leading to overeating and addiction-like behaviors. Multiple studies correlate sugary diets with impaired brain function and worsened mood disorders like depression and anxiety. Why does this happen? Sugar spikes insulin, causing inflammation and oxidative stress. Over time, it can even shrink the hippocampus, your memory center. Processed foods strip away fiber and nutrients, starving your brain. Even meal timing matters. Erratic eating or overeating disrupts brain plasticity, according to studies on calorie intake and frequency, and alcohol. In moderation, red wine's resveratrol might help, but excess kills neurons outright. For a unique angle. Ever think about your brain's second brain? That's your gut. Home to trillions of microbes influencing everything via the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional highway uses nerves, hormones, and immune signals. A diet high in fiber from veggies and fermented foods like yogurt feeds good bacteria, which produce short-chain fatty acids that protect the brain barrier and reduce inflammation. Probiotics can even alleviate depression symptoms. Nutritional psychiatry calls this psychobiotics. Conversely, a junk food diet breeds bad bacteria, leading to leaky gut, where toxins can slip into the bloodstream, fogging your brain. A pilot study from Johns Hopkins showed that healthier diets improved cognition by reducing insulin resistance, which ties directly into this axis. Fascinating, right? Your microbiome might dictate your mood more than you think. Now for the game changer, whole diet patterns. It's not about single foods, but synergy. The Mediterranean diet full of olive oil, fish, nuts, and veggies consistently tops charts for brain health. Science Direct reviews show it enhances memory and cognitive function through its unique nutrient combinations. The Mind diet, which is a hybrid of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, has been shown to slash Alzheimer's risk by up to 53%. A plant-based diet boosts antioxidants and fiber for great gut health. Even intermittent fasting might promote neurogenesis by mimicking calorie restriction, as seen in animal studies. But here's a unique twist. Cultural diets offer incredible clues. The Okinawan diet, rich in sweet potatoes and turmeric, correlates with longevity and sharp minds in centenarians. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, can cross the blood-brain barrier, fighting the amyloid plaques seen in Alzheimer's models. So, let's get practical. To brain boost your plate, aim for a rainbow colorful produce gives you diverse nutrients. Swap soda for green tea. Processed snacks for nuts. Try to include fatty fish twice a week. Ferment your way to happiness with some kimchi or kefir. You can even track your meals. Apps can help you see what you're really eating. And remember, hydration matters. Dehydration can actually shrink your brain tissue temporarily. Start small. 1 brain-friendly swap a day. Your future self will thank you. In summary, food isn't just fuel, it's medicine for your mind. From omega-3 South building your brain, to sugar sabotaging it, and the gut pulling strings behind the scenes, science proves diet shapes your thoughts, moods, and memories. Adopt a balanced whole food approach and watch your brain thrive. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment. What's one food you'll add for better brain health? Share this with a friend. Spread the knowledge. Thanks for watching. And remember, eat smart, think sharp. See you next time.